Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about corona vaccine which was going to be released on August 15th.
Zydus Cadila says COVID vaccine found safe in early trial. Phase 2 starts tomorrow. The phase 1 dosing to establish the safety of COVID vaccine is an important milestone, says chairman of Zydus Cadila. Zydus Cadila today said its plasmid DNA vaccine to prevent COVID-19. ZyCoV-D was found to be safe and well tolerated in phase 1 clinical trial. The company will now commence phase 2 clinical trials from 6 August 2020. The phase 1 trial of another indigenously COVID vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR has also been completed. Zydus Cadila said that the doses of the vaccine administered to healthy volunteers in the phase 1 clinical trial, which began on August 15, 2020, has been tolerated. Previously, the vaccine was found to be safe, immunogenic, and well tolerated in the preclinical toxicity studies. The vaccine was able to elicit high level of neutralizing antibodies in the animal studies, Zydus Cadila said. The phase 1 dosing to establish the safety of ZyCoV-D is an important milestone, said Mr. Pankaj R. Patel, chairman of Zydus Cadila. All the subjects in phase 1 clinical trial were closely monitored in a clinical pharmacological unit for 24 hours posting dosing for safety and for 7 days thereafter, and vaccine was found to be very safe. We now begin the phase 2 trials and look forward to evaluating the safety and immunogenicity of the vaccine in a larger population. Zydus Cadila said the phase 2 trial will be evaluating humoral and cellular immune response for the vaccine candidate. The neutralization potential of the antibodies elicited by the vaccine would also be checked by the virus neutralization assay. The durability of humoral response up to 6 months post last dose will also be evaluated, it added. Globally, over 100 vaccine candidates are in development and over 2 dozens are in different phases of clinical trials. The Oxford vaccine to be manufactured by Serum Institute of India has also been given approval yesterday for phase 2 and 3 clinical trials, which would start within a week at 17 sites in India with PTI inputs. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your patience. And in India, the vaccine is going to be released on August 15th. So it was going to be released on August 15th, and it will be available for Indians by this month end. So the corona vaccine will be available by this month end of August. So it will be available all over India by the September or October. So everyone will be safe because this vaccine trials is also over. So everyone will be safe and hygienic with this vaccine, because this is a August 15 gift which was Modi to be declared. So this vaccine is going to be released on August 15 by Mr. PM Narendra Modi. So thank you for watching my video, and thank you for your patience. Please, if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all.